we're still dealing with oblique cylindrical hoppers. So we are going to draw the actually it's figure 4.7, and says shows an oblique cylindrical hopper which is symmetrical around the center line. It's cylindrical around the center line. Now draw the given elevation and develop the pattern with the plate to make the half hopper. Okay, as we are going to draw the full hopper. Okay, so let's first start. Always we start with the center line. We draw the front view or front elevation, and we'll draw also the top elevation. This is our center line, the front elevation, okay, can start here. So what is the base diameter is 150 to scale is 15. So I was saying the diameter is 150 to scale is 30, radius is 15. So I have to take 15 millimeters. So this is the base. In the meantime, I want also to draw the circle in the top elevation. Is the same diameter, and for this example, I know in N1 we subdivide the full circle in 12 subdivisions, but in N2 always we subdivide semicircle or half circle. But for this example, I prefer to subdivide in 12 so that it will make you understand, because I want to develop the full hopper. Okay. Okay, I'm going to continue with the front elevation. Now what is the height? The height of the hopper is 320 to scale is 64 millimeters. Divide by 5. Okay. Now the top actually is 4,500 to scale is 900. So I'll take divide by 245. So I'll set up my compass to 45 and this is the front elevation. Is like the shape is a trapezium. Okay, now let's complete the top elevation. We need obstacle both sides. Okay, so before I draw, I know that it will be half circle outside. This will be the center and this side, but yeah, okay. So now after subdividing, I want this to be 1, then I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Okay. Let's do the projections and remember I said I wanted to subdivide in 12 so that we develop the full hopper. Okay, now from here I'll draw parallel lines to the side. Now this side. Okay. All right. I would like to call this point here A. Call this point here A. Here X, and here B. C is down here. Okay. Now I want to project A and B. You see, I've already marked here before completing. See, this is A. Yeah, you see A coincides with this line here, this line here, and B is on this line here. All right, now I'm going to draw the half circle of the upper, because at this level here, from A to that corner, on top view is a half circle or semicircle. This also, this side is a half circle. So yeah, okay, so okay, so this is my top view. Now we are going to start the development. So actually this is the same, and in top view I prefer to call this point A and here. Why do I call it A? Because it will be from A up to the other A, it will be semicircle, and here also B and B. So from here again it will be semicircle when we are busy projecting. Now we start the projection. So I'm going to take this point here, the intersection of this projection 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 4 coincide there, so I'll have only 4 3 and 2. I'll project them perpendicular to AC. Now I want you to check the method that I'm going to use. You see, align like this. Let me check this because the map is also very big. It's perpendicular. I can move like there. Yes. Then I bring it here. Yeah. So you see, still perpendicular to A. Let's start again. I want to do so that you can see the method I'm using. I have this point here, and that point. I want to draw lines from here to AC being perpendicular. So I start first by aligning my set square. You see, I've aligned my set square. So this is the line that I want to draw, which will be perpendicular. So this is my set square. I've aligned. Now I bring this one here. I bring this set square, you see. Then I slide this to my left. Then I take this one. I bring it now this side. Okay, so you see, this still now perpendicular to A. Then I can come there. I start drawing. So this is the best way, unless you are not able to understand how to play with the set square. Okay, that is the first step. Now we know that if you want to draw the development, we have to show where our development will start. So I have to extend this line. This is the bottom, the base. Now in terms of my development, I'll start with XC. XC, that is my seam. So XC is my seam. So I have X, I have C. XC is my seam. Now from X to A on top, and C is still there. So I need to draw this triangle XAC. So the compass will help me to draw it. I'll take just this distance here. From X to A. And I'm here. I mark off A. So this is my point A. This is my point A. Now I'll join A to C. And I have to extend this line because I'll have some projection from here up to there. Alright. So you see that there we started 4, 3, 2, project them there. Then from there we project them perpendicular to AC. Then we have AC here. You see. Now I have to take them here horizontally up to XC, all the 3 points to get them there. So this is the AC. Now what I'm doing, I have XA. You see that on top view we have XA. After A we'll have this semicircle. So from A here, XA is this XA. Now from A to A, I will be having a semicircle here. So the projection that I'm doing, even at the bottom, you see C, this is C. Then I must come back again to C. You see, this is C. Then I must come back again to C. C coming back. Okay, let me put this C and C. This is at the base. So I'll start from C to C. So from T to C, I'll have again another semicircle. From A to A, I have another circle. Now let me work out from C, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I want to work here. That's why I project 4, 3, 2. Then I'll project them up to here horizontally. Then from here to be again perpendicular. So I don't need this line here. All right. Now let's project horizontally up to CA. You see, we are going from AC to AC, right? Because there is parallel to that. Okay, so I must do the same on top here. I will extend CA, then I'll project all these perpendicular to AC. Let's extend it. Now the same method, you see, I want to draw from 1, 2, 3. So this is 4, this is 3, this is 2. I want to draw perpendiculars. I mean the projection from 2, projection from 3, projection from. So then I start like this. So this line here is perpendicular. All right. Then from there, take my set square, put it like this. You see, then it helped me to slide this set square that I'll be using for the perpendicular. Then this come, let's say, come this side. There. Now I can draw my perpendicular to AC. So these lines are perpendicular to AC. So try to practice. This is the best way of playing with a set square so that we can draw perpendicular from a certain point to a line. All right, from there also I'll draw. I have to extend I must extend them up to XA. From here I'll extend them up to XA. You see, we start here, we extend, we project horizontally up to AC. Here also project them still up to AC, AC, AC. Okay, now from here I have, now I'm at on top, this is A, on top this is A. I have to draw this curve here, AA. Now at the bottom, you see this is the bottom, this is the top, AA. So here I'm gonna need AA, it will be a curve. At the bottom I need CC, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then here also I'll have CC. Okay, so what we'll do now is to draw perpendicular line from all these intersections to AC, the way we add the perpendicular lines here. So we still use the same method. I start with this one here because I want to draw perpendicular line. Then after aligning this, now I'll take this one here. Okay, from there I'll slide this one here. Then I'll take this, will come this side. Yep. Now I can draw my perpendicular lines. So before I start, I need to erase this one because we don't need it. Okay, so from there I'm going to, so here on top I'm turning around. All right, so this circle and that circle, they've got the same radius, so we subdivided in 12. So I'll take this right here. Okay, so you see that C coincide with 1. All right, so we'll have 1 here, 1 is with C here, 1. Then I go to the second. Let me check again. Is it? Okay. From 1, I mark on the second line. I mark on the third line. Go on the fourth line. Then I go back to the second. Go back. Go back. Okay. So I'll do the same on top here. All right. So you can see that from C, I have C is 1, this is 2, this is 3, that is 4, then you have 5, we have 5, this is 6, and you come back to 7. So you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 coincide again with C. You see C and 1 at the base, and 7 again with C. Now on the top here, we go for the same, and here when we come here it will be again at A. Now let's first draw the curve. Okay, let's go in here. Let's start with what can match. Now lastly, okay, I just need to fix it. Let me take the long one. I can fix it easily. Okay, almost not perfect. So here again is A. You see, when we turn from here up to here is A. This is half circle. At the base is from C to C. At the top is from A to. You see, we have XA, XA. Then we turn up to A. We turn up to A. We're having A here. Right. So this point here is point A. Okay, you see on top we have AA, XAA, X, yes, AA, because C on top, X on top, C at the bottom. So X is somewhere here, say XAA. Now from here to here, we have this triangle. So now we have to do, see, we have turned, we come back here. Now we need to draw this triangle here, A, C, B. So how are we going to draw it? So this triangle will just take the distance from A to B. Remember that I say I want to develop the full hopper, not half. If it's half, it will be much easier. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Take there. Okay. From A to B is from A to B. Then from C to B. this is what we have. Okay, so let me extend this line again. So this is B. Alright, so now from this intersection to B, I need to draw parallel lines so that I'll get them here. Okay, now here also I need really to erase some lines. Which we don't need, otherwise it will bring confusion. And here inside. All right, now here. Okay, so what we'll do now, the intersection of this line to AC, then we'll draw them parallel to bring them from A to B. Like you can see here, from A to B, they were parallel to A to B. They are there. On top they are there. So the same here, they will be parallel to A, B. Here. Good. Now I have to draw perpendicular. From here I must draw perpendicular. So you can see that what I want to get again is from B to B. The same we did from A to A. You see, from A to A, now it will be from B to B. I'm here, I'm going to the B. So I need to draw perpendicular lines. So we'll use the same method. So first I line. Secondly, I then take it there. Okay. Yeah. So you know it will help me to draw the line perpendicular to AB. Oh, shame. Okay, now again here I'll do the same with my compass. I'll still take this value here because this subdivision. Okay, then I'll go from 7 no, the same here. Okay, I need to draw curve. Bit of inaccuracy. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so this is again C. So you can see this is the C here. No. So this is the CB. You see 7, B, 7B, then we'll go 7, 6, 5 onto the other C there. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So see we're here 7, 6, 5 up to 1. So you see that is why I say for this example I want to subdivide full. So you see that we start on 1, we turn up to 7, 1 up to 7, then we go to 7 up to 1, we go 7 up to 1. So yeah, let's first join this line here. Okay, so this after B, now so this again is B. All right, is B to B, B to B, B to B. Okay, now let's first join this before we continue. You have to join all these points here. Okay, so you see that if we want to find out on top, let's say this is on top, at the bottom we have only this circle. So at the bottom we start at C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 7, up to 7, then from 7 up to 1, from 7 up to 1. So we're done with the bottom. Let's go on top. We start here. This coincide with X. So X is here, this X is here, X on top, C at the bottom. In top view or top elevation, on the same place, they coincide. So we have X to A, we have the triangle X to A. Then from A, we go up to A. From A, we go up to A. This is half circle. Then from A, we go up to B. This is this triangle here. From A up to B, from A up to B. Now from B, we move again, circle, semicircle. We have this arc. Now we need BC. BX. We are on top of BX, you see. Then we'll end up BX, BX. Then here is just to draw the triangle again. So we'll take this distance here, BX. BX, and we take the distance CB, and we're done with the development of the full hopper. So this is point X. All right, so you see that we have now the full. We start X, can make it a bit, X to A, make it a bit bold, X to A, X to C, then we have, yeah, this is already bold, right? So you see that we have XAA, BBX, XAA, BBX. Now at the bottom is only the circle. So this is our drawing. We're done. Thank you so much for watching. Now try to practice. Okay, bye.